Hi friends, in this video let me do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A22. This is the Indian retail unit that I purchased from Amazon.in. Let me remove this Amazon packaging. It has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which is the black variant. The MRP mentioned in the box is 20,499 and Amazon selling price is INR 18,499. Some of the highlighting features of Galaxy A22 set here are Super AMOLED display, quad camera and 5000 mAh battery with 15 watts bundled fast charger. Now let's have a look at the box content. Opening the box we have the Samsung A22 USB-A to USB-C cable and a travel adapter. This side of the box has a SIM ejector pin, region lock guide, quick start guide and warranty card. Let me keep all this aside and have a closer look into the device. This back has a glossy finish and is made up of plastic. On the front, we have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display panel. On the right side, it has volume keys and side key which also works as fingerprint scanner. On the bottom, it has a speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On this side, we have a SIM card tray. It has dual SIM card and a micro SD card slot. On the top, we have a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. On the back, it has a quad camera setup with LED flash, and here it has the Samsung logo. Now let me power on the device and do the quick setup. By the time I finish setting the device, here is the key specification of Galaxy A22. This is a 90 Hz display panel with up to 600 nits of brightness. Here, it has 13 MP selfie camera. Coming to internal storage, out of the box we get around 103 GB of user available storage. Coming to software, it runs on One UI 3.1 based on Android 11. The Android security patch update level is 1st May 2021. There is an update available for download and install. This is the camera interface. The video recording on this device is capped at 1080p. Here is the fingerprint scanner performance. It feels fast and accurate. That's it for this video on Samsung Galaxy A22 unboxing. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful.